Hello everybody, my name is Nick, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your name and bio on Tango app. So first of all, let's open Tango. Once the application has opened, tap on your profile image at the top left. So here you can see a lot of options, but to change your name or bio, just tap on your profile at the top. And now tap on the edit icon at the top right corner. Okay, and here you can edit your profile. You can change your date of birth, interests, of course, your name. Let's change my bio. You can type here all what you want. Let's type hello. So to apply the changes, just tap on the checkmark icon at the top right corner of the screen. Okay, and it worked. As you can see, my bio has changed. So that's all for today. Guys, I really hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.